Many of the most influential people on the internet can be found on YouTube, where they have amassed tens of millions or even hundreds of millions of subscribers. When you have that many followers, money is sure to follow. However, which content creators on YouTube make the most money? YouTube has been the host of some of the most popular and widely shared content on the internet since the website first went live in 2005. Since then, thousands of content creators have built their platforms from the video sharing website, resulting in an enormous number of subscribers and views. Naturally, a good number of these content producers have been able to profit from the projects they have carried out on YouTube and elsewhere. Welcome to Luxurious Dreams. Today, we will talk about the 10 richest YouTubers. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. 10. Preston 𝗓𝗏𝗏. Preston 𝗓𝗏𝗏 has a YouTube channel that has been active for more than 10 years. He originally went by the name 𝗃𝐵𝗔𝗓𝗏𝗧. In 2012, he switched his name to Preston Plays and began playing video games like Minecraft and Call of Duty on that account. Now, in addition to challenges and pranks, he uploads vlogs under Preston. He published a video on that channel entitled 5 Ways to Prank Your Little Brother's Minecraft House. There have been more than 55 million views of this video up to this point. He is currently in charge of 5 channels. In 2018, Preston wed Brianna, who makes appearances in his videos alongside her husband. On her YouTube channel, Brianna Plays, she has more than 3 million subscribers. In addition, Preston has a biological mother, a biological father, 4 brothers, and 1 sister. Additionally, another of his brothers, his sister, and even his father all have YouTube channels. His sister 𝗃𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐦 has over 600,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel, 𝗃𝐫𝐞𝐚𝐦 Plays. In addition, she maintains a 𝗃𝐫𝐴𝐵𝐵𝐴 account with close to 250,000 followers. His brother Caleb's channel, 𝗃𝐵𝗔𝗓𝗏𝗧, had almost 60,000 subscribers when he stopped uploading videos more than 2 years ago. Only 2 videos were uploaded to YouTube by David, his father, more than 4 years ago. On the other hand, he still had close to 7,000 subscribers on his channel 𝗃𝗵𝗵𝗏𝗏𝗏. According to Forbes, Preston's earnings in 2021 were estimated to be $16 million. 9. Logan Paul. With over 23 million people subscribed to his primary channel, Logan Paul, the eldest of the Paul brothers, has enjoyed tremendous success in his career as an online influencer. These days, he is best known for being the host of his incredibly successful podcast, which goes by the name 𝗲𝗓𝗡, and has 3.7 million subscribers. It is projected that Logan will earn $18 million in 2021. 8. Dude Perfect. The sports and comedy group Dude Perfect has amassed 57 million subscribers and is regularly responsible for making viral videos after performing outrageous and off-the-wall stunts. It is estimated that they made $20 million in revenue in 2021. 7. Ryan KAJI. Ryan created his first video on YouTube when he was just 4 years old, and in the years since then, he has gone on to make a significant impact with the content of his toy reviews. His primary channel has more than 30 million subscribers, and the video that has received the most attention from viewers has been viewed 2 billion times. According to Forbes, he made approximately $27 million in 2021. 6. Nastia. On her main channel, where she posts videos documenting various aspects of her life, Nastia, who is only 8 years old, has amassed an incredible 88 million subscribers. These videos regularly get tens of millions of views. It is anticipated that Nastia brought in a total of $28 million in 2021. 5. Unspeakable. Nathan Graham, also known as Unspeakable, is famous for operating multiple YouTube channels, one of which is the immensely popular Unspeakable Gaming. On this channel, he posts insane Minecraft challenges, which can garner hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. According to estimates, he made approximately $28.5 million in 2021. 4. Rhett and Link. Rhett and Link are most well known for their YouTube talk show Good Mythical Morning, which currently has over 17 million subscribers. RHETT and Link have also expanded their brand to include side projects such as Mythical Kitchen, which has nearly 2 million subscribers. According to Forbes, RHETT and Link earned a combined $30 million in 2021. 3. Markiplier. Markiplier initially rose to prominence as a result of the gaming videos that he uploaded to his channel, which currently has more than 32 million subscribers and features content that fans continue to enjoy to this day. The YouTuber is also well known for the massive UNSPEAKABLE project he worked on with 𝗃𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿𝐴𝐵𝐿 anticipated that Markiplier brought in a total of $38 million in 2021. 2. Jake Paul. Jake Paul first rose to prominence on YouTube with the content of his channel Team 10. However, in the years since, he has become best known for his endeavors in the world of boxing, including his fights against individuals such as Tyron Woodley and Ben Askren, and he has no plans to slow down anytime soon. According to Forbes, Paul made $45 million in revenue last year, most of which came from boxing, accounting for nearly 90% of his total earnings. 1. MrBeast. Jimmy "MrBeast" Donaldson began posting videos on YouTube when he was just 13 years old, and he has since grown to become one of the most popular YouTubers on the platform. His videos offered their best guesses regarding the financial standing of other YouTubers and Let's Players. In 2017, he achieved widespread success with his counting to 100,000 videos. It took him 40 hours to complete the first video. Since that time, he has also developed a career in philanthropy. He posts challenger videos on YouTube, donating thousands of dollars to various causes. In 2018, he donated $70,000 to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and $10,000 to a local animal shelter. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital was the recipient of his donation. In addition to that, he contributed $32,000 to the Veterans Army Wounded Warrior Program and $100,000 worth of goods to shelters for the homeless. Additionally, he invests a significant amount of money in producing high-quality videos. In just a month, in August of the previous year, MrBeast dropped $3 million on producing his videos. MrBeast also enlisted the assistance of his close friends in managing the channel. At least 30 people are working for him at the moment. He is the operator of several other YouTube channels. In under a year, MrBeast Gaming reached more than 10 million subscribers. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below. We will appreciate your comment and work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shout-out. Please like and subscribe to Luxurious Dreams and hit the bell button or use the link in our description to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.